Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simpleroptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to look at what I think is the current battle of the indexes. So the S&P's had a pretty sharp sell-off down into the end of the day, and based off the daily close, it feels like there's a chance that you could come down here and test the 100-day moving average that leaves you at what's been a pretty popular handle right there around 2660, 2665, and there's definitely a part of me that thinks that that could come through. I'm not crazy about shorting after the drop to 2700, but if things start to turn south, I think shorting in this vicinity and looking for that move down there may provide a nice hedge. Now, at the same time, if you come back over and look at the Dow, this chart strikes me as being a little bit more favorable. Now, let's not come in and just say that I'm boldly getting long this, but I think it's worth keeping an eye on Boeing and the Dow as we start on Thursday's session. So the close below the 8 has me a little bit cautious. You can also see that the level right here, just below where we've come down into today, has been a pretty important area. So that held very well back in here towards the end of 2017. You get the flush at the beginning of February. This is kind of that ominous zone where it doesn't look good, but I would at least have you keep that area in focus as being an area of support. And then, of course, seeing what Boeing can do off the back of that. The last place to look, and the index chart that I think looks the most favorable, is the Nasdaq. So, and to be fair, there is a battle going on here clearly, but when you compare the two index charts, and I've left this on for the sake of example, but look at how major swing high, major swing low. You have come up and cleared the 618 retracement of this move, where if you come back and look at the S&Ps, it has not been cleared. So in my mind, that tells me you've got the Nasdaq that's trading a little bit better than the S&Ps, and that'll be worth keeping an eye on as we get into Thursday and Friday's session. So as I focus on these, and if I come in and start taking some shorts, I think the S&P futures or SPY puts will be the easiest place to do it, and then from there, we'll see where it finds support. So I hope that's helpful. You guys have a good night, and we will see you at the next free video.